Good evening, traders. Adam here from Bull Logic, going over a nightly watch list. Already did a market analysis video for you, so make sure you check that out to see what we're looking at, where we stand, and what we're going to do for this coming up week. Right now, for our watch list, we're looking at PAS. PAAS is one of the silver names. Gold and silver ran pretty hard on Friday, as you can imagine, with the market down. Gold was being pretty much flooded. You could just pretty much buy any gold and you'd be good to go. But watching this silver name over 1748, 1750 level coming out of this nice little bottom range. It's peeking over that 20-day moving average, is starting to hold. It's got a nice little running room about to that 1812 level. Definitely keep that on watch. Good volume starting to come in. QNST, another bottom bounce. This thing is starting to base out quite nicely down here at the bottom. It's got that 782 as a nice bottom range, and that 837 as a nice top range. Volume is completely fallen off inside this consolidation, which is what you'd like to see. And we're seeing some volume expansion, the growth in volume coming in these last couple of days. So definitely watch it over that 837 coming out of that range. Another one that could run up pretty nicely because it has a lot of room to run, at least at 877 level. SNTS. Here's a nice little high and tight flag. It gapped up and it started to consolidate, work off that big gap up move, and in doing so it created a nice flag. We got some good volume. Definitely watch this one for a break of this flag and then a run to the new highs. AUTH also on watch for a flag break. This could be breaking either way, but I definitely like it to the upside. The one down day it had low volume, and the green volume has been good. IDIX, this was my Friday morning, on my Friday morning watch list for a bounce off this 50-day moving average. When I saw this futures though, I pretty much just threw it out the window, but definitely keep it on watch. Low volume pullback here. It's got 3 levels of support back to back to back, so definitely look to see if it can't get a nice little run off of this support. CBEY, this one had a nice update on Thursday. Friday wasn't that bad for a low volume, pretty much just a buy. It tried to run up and go green, but it didn't. It failed in the morning, and so definitely keep it on watch for a takeout of this $6 level. RPRX, this one had a nice run. Hopefully you got involved in some of this run, but if you didn't, your chances coming up. Nice low volume pullback. As you see, his volume is falling off on this pullback. That's what you want to see. So definitely just look for some momentum in this, some volume to come in to go green. There's no real support or resistance levels that you could watch. You could look for something intraday, maybe 816, maybe you even want to do that 822 level. But just keep it. Make sure you watch it if it goes green or if it just gets some good volume and momentum coming in. HA, this one was just watch for the week. I don't expect it to move tomorrow, but still watching that 590 level, holding that 20-day moving average. Again, I don't expect that to go tomorrow, but keep it on your watch list for the week. Maybe it'll go sometime then. AKRX, this one just looks like it's going to pull back to that 20-day moving average. Not the cleanest of pullbacks, but it is a nice low volume pullback, which is something you want to see. Definitely look to see if you can't get that first bounce. It's been a good momentum run, so look for that first bounce to be a buy off that 20-day moving average. END, I was watching this one Friday for a red to green. I didn't take it with that 50-day moving average right there. Still going to watch it to see if it does take out that 50-day moving average. It could be another runner. SGI, nice little breakout it had a couple weeks ago, and it's just been flagging since on low volume. Again, that's something you want to see. So look for it just to break this flag and then to take another run. AMRS, this is another one that has had a nice run and is starting to flag all last week. Volume pattern is less than ideal, but still it is a nice and tight flag coming down here, so definitely look for it to take out that flag, and then I would definitely look for that 50-day moving average to be in line. That's what we got for you tonight. Again, just traded the A+ setups. Futures are down almost 1% right now, so you want to make sure you take your A+ setups. Don't get involved in anything with a major position or a lot of risk. Take it slow until we can get a nice feeler, throw some feelers out there so we can get a nice read on that market. There you go. Good luck, everybody, and I'll see you tomorrow.